All winter long, the hype around the Yankees centered around a bunch of fresh faces leading the franchise into its next chapter. And this spring, we're seeing what these baby bombers can do while all playing together for the first time. Hey everybody, it's Justin Shackle with Yankees On Demand, presented by AT&T. And what a first half of Grapefruit League play it's been for some of the team's promising young players. We start with top prospect Gleyber Torres, who's getting an extended look and making the most of it, hitting over 400 through the second week of March. Torres is ticketed for AA Trenton, but has turned plenty of heads this spring. Clint Frazier, Dustin Fowler, and Miguel Andujar were all listed among the top 10 Yankees prospects by MLB.com, and all are hitting .280 or better through the first half of the spring schedule, while Fowler showcased his big-time speed by logging 2 triples and 2 stolen bases. Infielder Tyler Wade has followed up his stint in the Arizona Fall League by hitting just under .430 in the first half of Big League camp. These prospects are part of the next wave of baby bombers hoping to join Gary Sanchez, Greg Bird, and Aaron Judge, who've already graduated to the Bronx. For Yankees On Demand, presented by AT&T, I'm Justin Shackle.
You can see more Yankees On Demand and Yankees Scoreboard content by clicking here. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel right there.